every day. Yeah, he didn't work today. We're gonna go to dinner with my mom and my uncle.
Cheers! Cheers! One last cheers. Woo, we made it.
He's home today. Oh, goody. We're gonna take your period.
We're at the sandbar.
And him.
We almost got home. We did get in an accident. Our Uber got rear-ended. Then we went in a second Uber, and then that Uber almost ran into another car. That sandbar, very beautiful. And then we got the passion fruit paloma.
Yeah.
Not nakes. I have a pareo on, and I am going to be making cheesecake churro bars for my best friend's brother's birthday. I am currently self-tanning. I should have filmed my routine, but honestly, and you know, it's kind of darker in like areas where I have like my rash. And then usually sometimes the pit area gets like that when it gets in the crease, but it's okay. Once you wash it all off, it looks good. But yeah, I'm self-tanning just to give myself some color. It's actually going to be a hot day today and all this next week, I believe. So I'm really happy. Let's just film cheesecake churro bars. I wanted to bring it just, you know, just to contribute. I'm excited because my best friend's mom is making a shrimp boil, and then they're going to have like a bunch of other stuff. And she's the one that you saw in the video. If you watched it, go watch it. How to make the tacos de papa and tacos de carne, and hopefully she'll teach me some more stuff. Yesterday, if you saw that clip, I love Sandbar. The drinks were so good. You have to get the passion fruit paloma. Now, I'm a margarita gal, but if there's a paloma that's good, I'm gonna get it. Palomas, margaritas, I cannot say no. So let's make these bars. I want to make them ahead of time because usually I make them and they're still kind of warm. And I saw a bunch of recipes saying let it settle and put it in the fridge, and I've never done that. And it makes sense because you get more of like the cheesecake kind of filling feel and taste, but also the bars look more solid. So when you cut it, since there's going to be like 25 to 30 people, I want to make like little bites because they're also going to have his favorite dessert, donuts. Today should be a good day, and let's get started. I'm actually going to make an iced coffee. Are any of you guys obsessed with Starbucks tumbler still? I have definitely. I just made, these are 2 actually pods, iced coffee pods to hold me off for the day. I am so done with these. Like, I love them, but I honestly also feel stupid for buying so many. I mean, I don't have a ton. Here, let me show you. I do have a good amount. These are some cups that some of you guys have made us. We use those. We actually use these more than we use these because they're like perfect. This is like a Disney cup. Also, let me know if you guys want to see me like vlog at Disney because I actually am due for like a solo day. I go by myself and I also go with Glenn. But yeah, I mean, I don't have too many. That's a Disney one. Actually, where are my other ones? I maybe have like 5 more, but yeah, no more. Preheat your oven to 350 and then take 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and a splash of vanilla. I use like about half a tablespoon of vanilla. It's all up to your liking. And just mix that baby up and then place a dough sheet on a greased pan. If you can't find this one, you can just use the regular crescent, and then it doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay if you just push out the holes and then just put the filling. Then you place another layer and then you melt some butter and just place it on top. I did half a stick, and then you place cinnamon and sugar. I just happen to find legit cinnamon sugar in my pantry, but you can just combine the two. Sometimes people add sour cream or lechetta into the filling, but I like mine super simple and easy, and this is the way I make mine, and it turns out delicious. And I baked it for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350. I just watched it. I recommend refrigerating it because the squares came out perfect, and then I added some dulce de leche, and everybody loved it. Again, you don't have to do this. Some people put chocolate or fresh strawberries. It's all up to you, but this is absolutely delicious and super easy. We are here. I'm vlogging today. I have like this dress and I ripped the strap, so I had to pin it. But it's like a little romper. And then my shoes. I'll link them down below. Churro Cheesecake Bites. Hi.
Let's crack it.
Don't drop them. And we got a bottle. Paloma time. Here's our card. Doesn't take much for me. Ooh, those chilies. Oh, that's for the spicy piña?
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
Like the side burner.
Si quieres, saca, put them right here.
Oh, wow. That too.
Yes.
Woohoo. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I'm going to black out tonight.
Yeah, you are.
Hey.
All right, come on, get in there.
Whoa. She didn't spill it. Hey.
Susan. That's right. Susan.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh, look at that's Andrew. You might have to edit some of my photos. Got a real lesson, you guys. I'm full of camarones. No, he didn't teach that. Verdict. Yeah, that's right. I paid him to say that. Interview. How was the churro cheesecake bite?
It was delicious. I kind of, you know what? It would have been really good if it was chilled.
If
it was chilled.
Oh, I'm turning off the camera.
No, it was really good.
Rude.
No, because the caramel, if it was like frozen.
The camera?
The caramel.
Oh. I don't know who made this. It's delicious. Who made this? Oh my God. So delicious. I didn't know. Who made this? Oh, it's just such a bunch. Mom, say hi.
Hi. Cheese.
Ooh, good? The best? I'm so full. I put like a couple mochi. And then, did you even get yogurt?
It's
like, in there. So this is the end of the vlog, but I do have one more day to show. And all my videos are vertical because I'm making a personalized reel for my friend. But it was my friend's birthday and we had a surprise birthday party that her husband planned and all of his friends chipped in and helped. Now, I was in charge of the candy table and I had all her different snacks that she loved. Her husband ordered some customized chamoy and tahini candy from someone. And then I also got my own and then did lollipops, all her favorite, like the spicy watermelon, the mango, Takis, the little, everything that she loved was on that table and she was so excited. And then her husband had a private sushi chef. Oh my gosh, this sushi was absolutely amazing. It melted in your mouth. It was such a fun party, just taking shots with everybody. Then after some shots, you know, some people were getting really comfortable and Glenn decided, hey, because we're all talking about like, let's just like shake our butts, like, you know, you just be silly. And so I honestly didn't know what he was going to do. He's like, oh, I can shake it. And when he grabbed the counter, I knew he meant business. Go. Hey. Also, it was really funny because my friend's husband, he ended up getting a cake and he had it as a surprise and it was her quinceañera photo on there. And then she decided to do a remake because we had like a whole backdrop and stuff with for photos and it was hilarious. But yeah, the night was so much fun. I had such a blast and I'm so glad like the surprise turned out perfect. Like everything went well. But that's the end of the vlog. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this little compilation of July. I plan on vlogging like per day or for the weekend. Not necessarily the month, but hopefully you guys didn't mind the month. But yeah, okay, more vlogs to come. I love you. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.